about 4 or 5, maybe 6 years since calls have been made to repair the synthetic running track at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. The pandemic came and interrupted the promises. The pandemic done and gone, and nothing happened. Lo and behold, 2 race cars were seen driving around the running track. And boom, the facility is back in the limelight again. And in Jamaica, sometimes it takes bad things to happen for good things to happen. And perhaps the shock of seeing the cars blazing around the running track, the kind of public ridicule brought to the facility and to the sport of athletics in Jamaica, maybe this is the kind of embarrassment and slap in the face that the authorities need to find the common sense to fix up the only synthetic running track available to the entire central and western region of the country. Somewhere in some powerful person's conscience, it can be seen as a valuable need for the restoration of the running track in Montego, as our quest for the sustained excellence in the sport of athletics continues. Come on for the running track! Come on for the track!